So sometimes you're going to need to have a separate wallet address for something. And when you have a Guapcoin wallet, you can have as many addresses as you want. You can have 100 addresses. You can have addresses just to do particular things. You might have your address, one address that plugs into a Masternode pool somewhere, or you might have an address that does something else. This is an address that you use specifically to pay a bill somewhere. So the benefit is that you can have as many as you want. So how do you generate a new address? When you first open your wallet and you look over this QR code, your first address is going to be where the QR code is. And you can click on copy and boom, you have your address. So if you want to create a new address, you're going to go to the Receive tab. So on the Receive tab, it's going to have a QR code and also the address that you copy. Now you would click on Generate Address. Boom. And now you've created a new address. So where do you find that new address? Well, you would click on My Addresses. And if you look, your default address is always going to be there, right there. But now you have this new address, right? So, and if you want to edit it, because maybe you want to say that it goes to a particular exchange, or maybe this needs to be an address that goes to your Masternode pool. So if you click on edit and type in Masternode pool, oops, got a little thing there, Masternode pool, then click on save. Now it shows up over here. So now you have your default address and your Masternode pool. It's really that easy. You can sit here and generate as much addresses as you'd like, and it'll all line up under your address.